Rent is $2,300. Eggs are somehow still expensive. And yet, some finance guru from 2005 is still telling people to follow the 50/30/20 budget rule like it's the 10 Commandments. So here's the question. In 2026, with inflation, student loans, rising insurance costs, and whatever this economy is right now, does the 50/30/20 budget actually work anymore? Because I ran the numbers. 3 different salaries, 3 different US cities. And honestly, the results were kind of shocking. And if you've ever felt guilty because budgeting doesn't work for you, this video might completely change the way you think about money. Quick cuts, rent prices, grocery receipts, calculator, bank app screenshots. Stay till the end, because I'm going to show you the updated 2026 version of this budget that actually makes sense today. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my goal is simple. I break down money, budgeting, investing, and financial survival without the boring Wall Street nonsense. And today, we are putting one of the most famous budgeting rules in America on trial. The 50/30/20 budget. You've probably heard of it. Maybe you tried it. Maybe TikTok finance people told you it would fix your life. But the real question is, can an idea created over 20 years ago still survive in the 2026 economy? Today we're covering what the 50/30/20 rule actually is, why it became so popular, real 2026 examples using actual numbers, why the formula is breaking, and finally, my updated 2026 reality budget that works way better for modern life. So if you've ever looked at your paycheck and thought, there's no way I can save 20%, trust me, you are not alone. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like practical money content, and let's get into it. Part 1. What is 50/30/20? Alright, quick refresher. The 50/30/20 budget rule was popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren in her 2005 book, All Your Worth. And the idea was super simple. Take your after-tax income and divide it into 3 buckets. 50% equals needs. These are things you absolutely need to survive. Rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, minimum debt payments, transportation. 30% equals wants. The fun stuff, eating out, streaming subscriptions, travel, shopping, hobbies. 20% equals savings and debt payoff. This includes investing, emergency fund, retirement accounts, extra debt payments. And honestly, back in 2005, this made a lot of sense. Average rent in many cities was under $1,000. Gas was around $2. Groceries were cheaper. And people weren't paying $120 a month just to exist online. The rule wasn't designed to be perfect. It was supposed to be a financial guardrail, a simple framework so people wouldn't overspend. Part 2. The 2026 stress test. Example 1. Houston, Texas, $60,000 salary. On-screen spreadsheet. Let's test this in real life. Example number 1. You make $60,000 a year living in Houston, Texas. After taxes, health deductions, and payroll stuff, you're bringing home about $3,950 per month. So according to 50/30/20, needs should be around $1,975. Wants should be around $1,185. Savings should be around $790. Sounds reasonable until reality shows up. Average 1-bedroom apartment in Houston right now? About $1,400. Then add $350 groceries, $200 utilities, $150 car insurance, $100 gas. That already puts you at about $2,200. And we haven't even added health insurance, phone bill, internet, student loans. So before you buy one coffee, you're already over budget, meaning the famous 50% needs category is basically impossible here unless you have roommates, live with family, or make significantly more money. Example 2, Denver, Colorado, $90,000 salary. Now let's go higher income. You make $90,000 in Denver. That sounds rich to a lot of people online. But after taxes, you're taking home around $5,600 a month. 50/30/20 says, needs equals $2,800. Now watch this. Average Denver 1-bedroom, around $1,900. Then, groceries equals $450. Utilities equals $180. Car plus insurance equals $400. Total, roughly $2,930. Again, over budget. And this is someone making $90,000. This is the moment where people realize the problem might not be you. The economy changed faster than the budget rule did. Example 3, Cleveland, Ohio, $45,000 salary. Now let's look at a lower cost of living city. You make $45,000 in Cleveland. After taxes, around $3,100 take home. 50% needs, $1,550. Now here's why this one works better. Average rent, around $1,050. Add, groceries equals $350. Utilities equals $150. Phone bill equals $60. Total, about $1,610. Still slightly over, but much closer, which tells us something important. The 50/30/20 budget still works in some lower-cost cities, but it completely breaks in many major metro areas. B-roll, frustrated budgeting montage. So the brutal truth in 2026 is this. Housing costs destroyed the original formula. Part 3, why the rule is failing. Reason 1, housing inflation. First reason, housing exploded. From 2005 to 2026, wages increased roughly 60%. But rent in many cities? Up 150%, even 200%. The math just stopped mathing. Reason 2, needs changed. In 2005, internet was optional for many people. Now, you literally need it for work. Phone bills? Needed. Software subscriptions? Sometimes needed. Even transportation got more expensive. The line between need and want got blurry. Reason 3, the rule creates guilt. And this is the biggest problem. If your needs take up 70% of your income, the rule makes you feel like you failed. But sometimes the budget failed you. A lot of people aren't irresponsible. They're just trying to survive expensive cities. Part 4, the 2026 reality budget. On-screen updated pie chart. So should we completely throw away 50/30/20? No, we update it. Here's my 2026 version. Step 1, savings first. First, flip the order. Most people save whatever is left over. Problem is, there's never anything left over. So in 2026, savings becomes a need. Even if it's $25, $50, or 5%, automate it first. Because consistency beats perfection. Step 2, accept higher needs. For most Americans right now, needs are realistically 60% to 70%. And honestly, that's okay. The goal is not to feel ashamed. The goal is gradually lowering that percentage over time. Step 3, wants become flexible. In the old model, wants were fixed at 30%. In 2026, wants become the flexible category. Some months, 20%. Some months, 5%. Flexibility matters more than perfect percentages. The new formula. So here's the updated framework. Option 1, 60/20/20. 60% needs, 20% wants, 20% savings. Option 2, 70/10/20, especially for expensive cities. And honestly, even 70/20/10 is better than saving nothing. Part 5, action steps. So here's what I want you to do after this video. Step 1, open your banking app. Look at last month. What percentage actually went toward needs? Not what TikTok says, not what finance gurus say. Your real numbers. Step 2, automate savings. Even if it's just $50 per paycheck. Small habits compound. Step 3, audit one major expense. Can you lower insurance? Reduce grocery spending? Refinance debt? Split rent? Because cutting one $100 expense matters more than skipping lattes forever. Does the 50/30/20 budget still work in 2026? As written? Not for most people. As a concept of balance? Absolutely. The idea was never about perfection. It was about awareness. And the truth is, modern budgeting needs flexibility now more than ever. So stop feeling guilty if the old rules don't fit your life. Update the formula. Make it realistic. And build a system you can actually stick to. If this video helped you out, hit subscribe because next week I'm testing the 2026 reality budget on myself for 30 days. And if you want my free budget template, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.